Tell them about your pain and what we did for you.
Okay, I've been suffering with severe back pain for quite a few years. In fact, I retired early because of it. Couldn't stand, couldn't bend, couldn't move, couldn't do anything really. So I figured that was it. I had to stop all of that. My husband actually was the one who found the film. And I worked with my MRI, when he came to see him and put it in. They wanted an opinion as well. I'm glad I made the decision to do it. I had it done. Within a week, I was up and about. Here I am. I'm straight. I feel I can do what I shouldn't be doing.
So,
no pain.
do you mind like walking from the seat? Yeah, go on. Turn around. Good.